Hey guys, this is Margarita, your girl from Go Dominican Life. Today I'm going to show you a house in Agua Dulce, but it looks very different than all the other houses here. It has very beautiful furniture, is very well equipped, has a beautiful kitchen, and is a little bit different. So I invite you to come on in and see this wonderful house. So guys, what did you think of this? This house is everything you need. It's beautifully equipped and furnished, as I said, comes with everything, and it's waiting for you as a new owner. It is a perfect home to live in, but also to rent out. You're in the hills of Sosúa, which is only a 7-minute drive away from the beaches and everything Sosúa, and also Cabarete has to offer, because it's right in the middle of both of them. And like I said, it could be your place. So you know what to do. Click on the link here below for more information and the price. Give us a like, subscribe, and don't forget to share with all of your friends. Bye.